Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our new video. Today, I'll guide you through how to change color of notes in Instagram. If you've been searching for a way to change Instagram notes color to gold, pink, or blue, you've come to the right place. But before we get started, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tips. Now, let's start. To change the color of notes on Instagram, first of all, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Once you're on Instagram, tap the message icon at the top right corner of your home screen. Here, you will see all of your chats. At the top of your chat list, you will see the Notes section. To add a new note, tap on your note at the beginning of the Notes section. Now, a new screen will appear. In the Note text field, type a short message. To change the color of the note, include specific words in your text. If you want to make your note pink, include words like mindful, demure, cutesy, or considerate along with your text, then share the note. Your note will change to a pink color. To make your Instagram note blue, include words like Sabrina, taste, espresso, or nonsense, then share the note. Your note will change to a blue color. You can also use certain emojis in your notes to change the background color. Once you have added your note, your friends and followers will see it in a different color.